Good morning, everyone. Fine. Last class, what we have seen? Hmm? Data representation, right? And also we have seen the not six, five rules of variable declaration, right? So we have five rules. Chalo, first we'll start with data types. How many data types we have? 14. What are they? Hmm? You should tell in sequence. Huh. Okay, fine. Fundamental it is.
Fundamental
Fundamental.
category, uh,
Hmm.
sequential category of data type,
Okay, tell me.
list category,
Is it?
set category, and dictionary category type, and non type.
Okay, fine. So inside fundamental, we have integer, float,
In this,
boolean,
yeah,
complex. Right.
complex
Next, sequence, string,
string
bytes, byte array, range. Next is
bytes
list. Inside list,
range,
list and
List and
tuple.
tuple.
Next,
list and tuple,
set.
list and
Set.
Set and frozen set. Right.
set
Set.
as a set.
Next, dictionary.
Distance.
Yeah,
Dict only. Last one is none type.
non type.
Got
Runtime.
it? So total how many
Yes.
we have? 14 we have. 14 data
14.
types we have. Now we are going to see the first data type, that is nothing but, I guess we have seen few of that integer we have seen.
These are we have seen, yes.
Let me check. Hmm. Data representation. Yeah, integer. Integer we have seen, right? Fine. Now what is integer?
It stores the integral type of data in the main memory.
I'll write it. Integer. Integer. Everything in Python is what? Everything in Python is what? Object, right? And behind that object, class is there. So int is a predefined class, predefined defined class, and treated as treated as fundamental data type. Got it? Fundamental data types. Now, what is the purpose of integer? The purpose of integer is that to store integral type of data, integral type or integer type, or we can also say whole number, right? Whole numbers of data in the main memory. So where we are going to store this? Inside main memory, right? More we can say without the decimal value, without the decimal value. That is nothing but integer, right? If anything is without the decimal value, that is nothing but integer, right? Got it? We have seen, let's see examples, right? Is it visible? Yeah, fine. Now, here I'm writing a is equals to 20, right? I guess we have seen integer, right? A is equals to 20. Now, a is equals to 20. Now I'm going to print this. First of all, we'll see. Till now, we haven't seen any functions, right? Now we are going to see some predefined functions. Some predefined functions, right? Some predefined functions. What are they? First, we are going to see the print function, right? Then also we are going to see type function, okay? Type function. And later on, I'll go for ID function. After that, further, we are going to see lots of functions, right? So till now, we haven't seen, we only have seen the print function, right? Print and type function. Type also we have seen. Print says what? Print is what? It is a predefined function in Python whose purpose is to show the user output or show the output where in the console. Right, in the console. Got it? So what is the purpose of this predefined function? Print. To show the output in where? Console. Whenever I say console is nothing but this part, right? Got it? I hope everyone has the idea of how we can install the Python and how we can use the Python. Yes or no? Online students. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Only one is attending. Rest are going to follow the videos, I guess. Right? Manju, Pravalika, girls, Rajkumari, Shreya Rani, Saujanya, Suraj, Tarun, Vamsi. Fine. Okay. Type. Type is what? Type is what? It is also same. Copy it. I'll paste it here. It is also predefined function. Fine. Whose purpose is what? Whose purpose is better? I'll copy this whole. Whose purpose is to show the data type, the data type, the type of the data, the type of the data, right? In the console. Got it? Similarly, if I go for this, copy it and paste it here. Now, what is the purpose of this? It is predefined function in Python whose purpose is to show what? The address of the data, right? Whose purpose is what? To show the address of the data. Got it? So, I'll go for this. So what I have to write? Print statement. The purpose of print statement is what? To show the output. Let's suppose I am writing like here, we are going to start our first Python program, right? Here we are going to start our first Python program. Now you see what it is printing? The same line what we have written here, right? The same line what we have written here. So print function, whatever you are going to keep inside this parenthesis, it is going to print that, right? That too, if you are keeping in double quote, that is nothing but an statement, right? Print statement you are giving. Whenever you write it like this, print of A, print of A. A is what? A is what? 20, right? So it is going to print A, comma. I'll go for type of A. Type says what? Data type. Now, if you go for this, it is printing 20 and it is saying what? Class int. Means this 20 belongs to integer class. 20 of what object? A object, right? So whatever in Python, it is nothing but an object. And behind that object, class exists. Got it? Fine. Now, what if I'm writing this many number? Is it fine to write it like this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Why? Come again. Assigning value, but can we write this much longer number? Pravalika, no idea for what? Hmm. Pravalika.
Sir, good morning, sir. Actually, I'm an offline student.
Okay.
Because of some reasons, I came to my home so that
Okay.
I'm
Fine.
attending online. Actually, I'm completely science background, sir. So that
Okay.
I'm not having any idea.
Fine.
I mean, how to download all this.
Just do one thing. You follow my previous videos. Okay. Follow the previous
Okay, sir.
sessions. You will find out
Okay,
that
sir.
how you can download the software and how you can use that. Okay. If
Okay,
not,
okay,
then
sir.
you let me know tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll show you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Fine.
you. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now you see this many longer number. Can we write it in integer? Yes or no? So there is two terms. One is for C, C++, Java, any programming language, right? There is a specific memory allocation for every data type. When I say memory allocation means memory space I'm talking about. Okay. Each and every data type has their own memory space. Integer 2 byte or 4 byte. Somewhere it is 4 byte, somewhere it is 2 byte. Right? Float 2 or 4. Likewise, it is varies. Right. In Python, why we are keeping this as object? Because object can store any number of data, right? Any number of data means there is no restriction of memory. There is no restriction of memory. Any number of memory you can use to store any value, right? Here a is equals to this longer number we are keeping, right? And even though we are not giving any data type, the acknowledgement to the compiler that what data type we are going to use. Implicitly, compiler does what? It changes the data, means it knows everything, right? In Python, compiler knows everything, what to change, what not to change, right? Here, a is equals to 988 without decimal values it is. So compiler will easily know that what data type we are going to use, integer data type, right? And also we can use this, right? We can use this much longer. No need of long integer, no need of short integer, no need of any other kind of data type. Got it? No need to assign separately memory allocation. No need to assign memory space separately, right? So Python knows everything, like compiler, PVM, everyone that knows everything, right? No need to tell them. Fine. Now, this is one example. Now, let's suppose I have a is equals to 10, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20. We have assigned two values, a object, b object, right? What we are going to do, a plus b. Can we perform it? Is it possible? Right? 30 it is. In other programming languages, we have to define what? The third variable, right? To store the value of the output, we have to keep another variable, right? Another variable. So here what we are doing, within three line of code, we have taken the sum of two numbers, right? Also, but better to store those value in some variable, right? Because it can able to store the reference of particular object, not object, value, right? Whenever I see C is equals to A plus B, what you are doing? Adding two number and storing where? Inside C, right? So if you go and print this, print of C, right? So what we are getting? Same the output as well as now it is checking the type of C. It is checking the type of C. What if I write A is equals to 10.0 and B is equals to 20.0? What number it is? Fine. C is equals to A plus B. Now tell me, what should be the answer? Got it? So even though we are not writing the after value of decimal, right? We are getting what? Float. What we have? Point 0. Whenever it is coming like point, then it is what? Decimal value. And decimal means floating point value. Got it? Mhm. So let me take these examples. Not this. I'll take it. Apart from this, we also have few functions for typecasting, right? For typecasting. What is typecasting? We'll see. Later on, we'll see what is typecasting. But we also have are you guys practicing daily? Yes or not? Tell me, yes or no? Are you guys practicing daily or not? No, no. Why? Online. Why? Why Python is known as dynamically typed language? Gone. Yeah. Hari, right? Your name? Sandeep. Harika. No. What's your name? Ashwini, sorry. Ashwini, tell me. If you guys are not focusing here, what else I can do? Hmm? Fine. Okay. Now we'll see. Integer. With integer, with integer, we can store all. Now you see, we are going to see some great example. All type of number system. Now what we are going to see? All types of number system, right? Number system. uh, it's Values. Okay, values. Now, in general, how many number system we have? Binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal, right? So in general, we have we have four types of number system. What are they? First, binary, decimal. I'll go for decimal. Decimal number system, right? Decimal number system. Second, binary, binary number system. Third, octal. And last one, hexadecimal, right? Hexadecimal. Now, binary is what? Binary is what? 0, 1, right? Means whatever we are writing, it is going to convert it into zeros and one. That is nothing but binary, right? Bits, they are going to convert it. And who only can understand this binary? Machine, system, right? Got it? Next is decimal. Any value you are writing, whatever you are writing here, 20, 10, right? 30. These values comes under what? Decimal. So we can also call it as default default number system. Number system. What it is? Default number system, right? So decimal is what? A default number system. Got it? Binary. Zeros and ones. Octal. Why binary is used? Why we are using binary? To convert the normal text or normal values into machine understandable code. That is nothing but byte code, binary. Got it? Octal. Sometimes we are using octal for storing the address, right? Storing the address. Got it? Means converting our variable or the value and take the address in the form of octal number system. For same hexadecimal is also like that. Got it? Now we are going to see how we can convert these decimal number, right? These decimal number system into what? Binary, octal, hexadecimal, and vice versa. Got it? Chalo. Now we'll see. We'll start with we'll start with decimal number system, right? We'll start with decimal number system. First one. It is one of the default number system, right? It is one of the default number system. Got it? So whatever we are writing, whatever we are going to give as an integer data, that is nothing but n decimal value. By default, every integer value is what? Decimal value, right? Second, digits in decimal number system are number systems are starting from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Right? Got it? So now you see whatever we are writing, like A is equals to 10, B is equals to 100, C is equals to 90, or D is equals to, why it is called default number system, I'll explain it. D is equals to, let's suppose, 300, right? Now you see in the first scenario, we have how many numbers we have? Numbers, individual numbers, 1 and 0. Okay, 1 and 0. Is it coming within this? 1 and 0. Next, if you see 1, 0, 0. Again, 0 is there, 1 is there. Why it is called default number system? Whatever the value we are going to use, it is within this only. Means only this number we can use, right? In any, not even not only for programming. Wherever you write, only 0 to 9 number you can write. Are you getting my point? Individual number, right? So that's why it is what? A default number system. What it is? A default number system. Next is the base of decimal number system is what? 10. It is starting from 0. So if you count this, the count of these numbers are what? 10. Got it? That's why it is the base of this is what? 10. Now I'll go for the second one. Second, that is binary number system, right? Binary number system. Same. Binary number system. Here, this is not by default a number system. So we'll write the numbers in binary number system is what? Zeros and 0 and 1. Fine. Similarly, base of binary number system is what? 2, right? 2 it is. Now, how we can convert this binary number system into decimal number system, right? How we can convert the binary number system into decimal number system. So I'll write in Python, we have uh, syntax to write, syntax to convert binary number system into decimal number system. Decimal number system, and decimal number system into what? Binary number system. Now you'll see a beautiful explanation of how we can convert binary into decimal and decimal into binary, right? Let me show you with example. Now you see A is what? 10. 10 is what? Decimal number system, right? Integer it is, that is fine. But what kind of number system it is? It comes under decimal number system, right? I'll go for simple, I'll go for 20. Okay. And I'll write print of A, print of A, comma, type of A, right? What it is? 20 and class int. Means what? The number system is what? Decimal number system. I want this decimal number system to convert it into binary. How we can do that? Do you know? Yes or no? No. Fine. So I'll go for new one. Okay. I'll take two partitions. Okay. So that you will understand. Now you see. I'm going to take two partitions. Why? First, we are going to see conversion of binary or decimal, we'll say first. Decimal number system into what? Binary, right? Now, similarly, I'll copy this, and I'll paste it here. For this, what it is? It is binary. And what this is? Decimal. Fine. Okay. So two things we are going to see here. Is it visible? Now, so what number we have here? I'll go for this number only, right? 20 it is. Random number we are taking 20. Okay. So, as we know, we are going to convert 20, 20, okay, 20 into what? 20 into binary. So I'll go for X. Okay. Similarly, 20, what number system it is? Decimal. So I'll go for the base is what? 10 here. Similarly, X, what we are going to convert? In what? Binary. Base is what? 2. So I'll write this. Okay. Now, how we can convert this? Simple technique to convert this, that is nothing but we have to take out fine. Base is what? Binary base is what? 2, right? So we are going to take 2 here, right? 2. And the value we are going to convert is what? 20. That is nothing but a decimal value, right? Now you tell me 2, 20, 2, 10,
10, sir.
10, right? If we go, what is the reminder here? 0, right? Again I'll go 2, 2. Next is what?
5,
5. Reminder
0,
0, right? Again I'll go 2. Reminder is now
2.5,
2.5. Okay. 4. Reminder is what? 1. Now,
okay.
can we divide now? Yes or no? 2. Yeah,
1,
1 it is.
1,
Reminder
0,
0,
0. And now you see, binary number system takes how many numbers? Digits. 0 and how many we are getting? 1 0 1 0 0 0. And we are going to see from this bottom to top way. Bottom to top way. So if I write, tell me the number. Tell me the number. 1 0 1 0 0. Right? 1 0 1 0 0. Means what we can say? So decimal value is what? 20, right? And we have converted this 20 into what? 1 0 1 0 0. 1 0 1 0 0, right? And the base of 20 is what? 10. Similarly, for this, what it is? 2. Got it? So after conversion of 20 decimal value into binary, the binary value is what? 1 0 1 0 0. Okay. Now, so how we can convert binary into decimal? Do you know? I'll show. Now, so I'll write it here. Binary value is what? 1 0 1 0 0. I'll show the similar example how you can convert 1 0 1 0 0 into 20, which is decimal value, right? So that you can recheck it. I'll show you it because you have to recheck it whether the answer is right or not, right? So 1 0 1 0 0, that is a binary value, right? And we are going to convert this binary value into what? Decimal. So I'll write x. Okay, I'll write x. And what is the base of this? 2. Similarly, base of x is what? We are going to convert it into 10. Got it? Chalo. Now we'll see 1 0 1 0 0. Now what you have to do here? I'll go for this and take. First, I'll explain you this. So what number we have? 1, right? 0, 1, then 0 and 0. How many bits we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to start from this side, right to left, right to left. And each and every bit belongs to what base? base 2, right? Base is what? 2. Here, what base we are using? What base we are using? 2. So we are going to take 2 here. 2 power of 0 multiply with this 0, right? 2 power of 0 multiply with this 0. Again, 2 power of plus for this 2 power of 1 multiply with this 0 plus 2 power of 2 multiply with 1. Next, so I'll write it like this. For this it is. For this, right? I'll go for this. 2 power of
3.
plus 2 power of 3,
3.
right? And last one is plus 2 power of
4.
2 power of 4. 2 power of 3 multiply with this. 2 power of 4 multiply with 1, right? Now, if you calculate this, 2 power of 0 multiply with 0, what it is? 0.
0.
2 power of 1 multiply with 0,
2.
0. 2 power of
0.
2, 4,
4.
right? 2 power of 2, 4. 4 multiply with 1, 4, right? 2 power of 3, 0.
0.
Now, 2 power of 4, 16.
16.
16 plus 4,
20.
20. We are getting the same number,
Yes, sir.
right? So here, that is what this is how you can convert. Fine. So I'll go for this. Okay. I'll go for this. The numbers are 1, then 0, 1, 0, 0, right? And for this one, what we have to write? 2 power of, okay, I'll write 2 only. Okay. 2 multiply with 1 because we are multiplying with this one. Okay. Plus, I'll explain you. Here, 2 multiply with 0, right? Then plus 2 multiply with 1
1.
plus 2 multiply with 0.
0.
Again, one more time. 2 multiply with 0. Okay, fine. Now, for each and every 2, now I'm going to write the power, right? 2 power of 4 it is, right? 2 power of what? 4. Next, 2 power of 3. Next, 2 power of 2.
2.
Next, 2 power of 1.
1.
And last one is
2 power of 0.
2 power of 0. Right? So here you can see how we can convert this value, right? This is 2 power of, starting from 2 power of 0, right? For this 0, 2 power of 1 multiply with 0. For this 0, 2 power of 2 multiply with 1 here. For this one, 2 power of 3 multiply with 0 for this 0, and 2 power of 4 multiply with 1 for this one, right? Now if I go 2 power of 4 multiply with, this is nothing but 16, right? Plus 2 power of 3 multiply with 0, 0, plus next is 4, right? Plus 0, plus 0. Now if we calculate this, that is nothing but 20. This is how you can convert the 1010100 into what? Now what is the value of x? 20. Got it? Here you can convert the here the decimal value into binary. Here the binary into what? Decimal. I hope you got this. Understood? Understood the concept? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Okay. Here you can convert this into binary or binary into decimal. Now similarly, I'll show you an example. Okay. Example. Syntax. What is the syntax of this? Okay. What is the syntax for this? So syntax is same. Variable name is equals to, okay, variable name is equals to 0b, sorry, 0b, 0b, 20, 10100, okay, 10, or we can say I'll write like this, value, binary value. Similarly, I can also go with variable name. I'll show you with example. 0 capital V and binary value. Binary value. Okay. What this binary value is, I'll show you. Now you write A is equals to A is equals to A is what? Here A indicate what? Variable name. A is equals to 0 B 10100. Right? Now you see print of A, comma, type of A. What it is? What it is? Spell it out. What it is? Of integer class. Integer by default takes what number system? Decimal number system. Right? Let me check. Right. Now 20. 20 is what? 20 is what? Decimal number system. Right? Now I'm trying to convert this 20 into what? Binary. Right? So simple. One I have one function, print of A. Okay, print of A. Then I'll write the type of A. The type of A. Similarly, comma, I'll write bin of A. Bin of A. Bin is a function. Now you see bin is what? A function, just like type, just like print, right? So bin is what? A function. Now we are trying to convert this A value into what? Binary form. So if I enter this, what it is? 0b 10100. Similar it is what we have written. So if you check, to convert decimal into binary, what we have to write? We have to give what? The function, bin of A. I can also go for bin of 23, like this. Bin of 23 is what? 0b 10111. And 0b indicates what? The binary number system. 0b indicates what? Similarly for octal, it is 0o. Either it is capital or small o. Anything you can use. Right? Similarly, for hexadecimal, it is x, 0, x, small x, capital X. Got it? This is how you can use. Any other question? Any other question? Fine. So this is what I'll go with first. One statement. In all types of int value are internally converted into what? Decimal number. Decimal number system. Right? Fine. Let's see the examples. I'll go for examples. See, again, I'm telling you why I'm explaining this. Internally, Python can do anything. Okay? Python will take care of this conversion and all. No need to understand what these are, but for your betterment, for your better knowledge, I'm sharing this much of thing. Why? You should know how we can convert the binary into decimal or decimal into binary or other number system into binary or decimal or decimal into other number system. Got it? This knowledge you should have. This knowledge you should keep in your mind because in interviews they may ask these questions also. If you have a binary number, how you can convert that binary into decimal? Or if you have any octal number, how you can convert that into decimal? So this is the way you can answer, or this is the way you can show them, right? So to convert these values, we have to use, either we can go for direct way or we can also use the functions. Right? The functions also we can use. Win function. Win is what? I'll write. I'll write for bin. Bin function. Okay. Bin, or it is a predefined function in Python whose purpose is to convert decimal number system into what? Binary number system. uh, System. Right? To convert decimal into what? Binary number system. Got it? You got the point? Understood? Yes or no? Online students? Online students.
Yes, sir.
How I can go to meeting that huh? Skip. Okay. Oh, fine. So this is how we can convert the binary into decimal. Tomorrow we'll see. It is 9:57 already, right? So tomorrow we'll see how we can convert the rest of the number system into decimal and vice versa, right? This is really important for your interviews. Whatever I'm saying, whatever I'm going to deliver you, that is really important to know. Why? Because you don't know what question they are going to ask. And if they ask from the basic thing, and if you are able to answer that, then you can go further. Or else, definitely they'll say, like, you can go for the day, we'll let you know. Right? So, that's why I'm telling you each and every concept in Python is really important. Got it? Each and every concept. Not in Python, in any language. If you know the depth of the particular programming language or any subject, then you would see a lot of things there. You'll be able to answer lots of things. Okay, that's why I'm telling you every day, practice it. Don't waste your time, practice it. Install the Python, try to practice it, try to remember the theory part. Okay, don't uh, just don't read it. Okay, try to recall it, try to remember it. Remember in the sense, try to understand the concept. See, there is no exam for this, right? I'm not going to take any exam, or we are not in college so that you will remember it and you will copy and paste it there. No need to do anything like that. You have to understand the concept. Got it? We are not working, we are not doing anything for college and all. It is now, it is for your career, right? Now it is for your career, and for career, you should be 100% sure about the knowledge. And later on, we'll see the mock interviews. Later on, we'll see the tests. Okay, mock tests. And in interview, I want you guys. I'm expecting you guys to answer properly each and everything. Whatever we are going to see till now, that only we are going to take the interviews. Okay, you have the notes, you have everything. Whatever I have taught you till now, that only I'm going to ask you. Maybe week, maybe this week, if possible, I'll take your mock interviews. Okay, just give me a moment. And yeah, one more thing. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to change the link. Online students, from tomorrow onwards, we are going to change the link, right? So those who haven't paid the amount or the fees to attend the tomorrow's class, you have to pay the fees today itself, right? So today we have completed, we can say, the demo, right? Demo session. From tomorrow onwards, link is going to be changed. Okay, so today itself, make sure that you have paid the amount. Any queries, any question you have, online, offline students? Do you have any doubt? No? Yes or no? I'll ask one question, simple question. Right. What is garbage collector? Tell me quickly. Removes or what? Removes. Online students. Collects unused memory, right? So we have seen how it can collect unused memory. Got it? One more question I'll ask. Okay. Tell me the interpretation process. What's your name? Akshay, Akshay, tell me. Interpretation process. Sandeep, and your name? Sisindar, yeah. Bro. Uh-huh. Who converts into the bytecode? Compiler. Hmm. You know or don't know? Why? You guys are not reading properly. You're just attending for formalities. Why you are doing formalities? Now it is up to you only. It's on your career. How you'll face the interview if you are like this only. Fine. I'll tell you tomorrow a few more example of the conversion of binary and decimal. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. If you have any query, you can contact to that number, right? That number, I'll go for that. This number you can contact. Okay. I'll write it here. This number you can contact if you have any query. Okay. You can copy it and paste it to your system. Fine. I'll share this. I'll share this. Okay. Notes. Did you get the classroom link? Hmm? Got? Okay. Today I'll share all the notes. I think they haven't gave me. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you so much, online students. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.